In this video, we're going to show you how to install the knock sensor on your Cadillac Escalade located on the driver's side and passenger side of the engine. On the lower driver's side of the engine, you're going to find this little heat shield. It is right behind the exhaust. Using a 13mm socket, 1/4 inch with a swivel and extension. I'll go ahead and loosen that bolt. Once you get that loose, probably reach right on up there and unthread that bolt. Move that bolt, bring the heat shield down. Now we have a little piece of additional heat shield right here that will pull down. And that's going to expose the connector and the wiring harness. There's a red clip on the bottom, that's your safety lock. Put your finger on it and pull that down to unlock it. And then underneath, there's a little tab. You're going to press in on that to remove the harness. Pull the harness away. Now using the same socket, swivel, and extension, we're going to go up between the front prop shaft and this mount right here. You're going to go straight up. There we go. Okay, get the bolt out with the sensor. Bring that on down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our bolt, I'm going to feed this through the knock sensor, snake my hand up inside here. I'm just going to get that bolt started. And in our case here, that bolt is spinning in nice and easy. So I'm going to thread that in as far as I can by hand. Now I positioned it on purpose with that connector facing down. I'm going to feed my ratchet up in there. I'm just going to snug that. Next, we're going to torque it in place. We're going to torque this bolt to 18 foot-pounds. Let's install our harness. Press it up, you'll hear it in, feel it lock into place. Once that's locked in, go ahead and press that red lock tab up and in. Snap it in, and then go ahead and move that heat shield back up. You can bring up our heat shield. Try and get that lined up. And then we'll feed our bolt up into place. Now I put the bolt through the heat shield, lining it up while I'm looking underneath here. This bolt is going in nice and easy, so I'm going to thread it in as far as I can by hand. Let's go ahead and torque this heat shield bolt down to 18 foot-pounds as well. Now that you're done with this here, you want to go ahead and hop into the vehicle, hook up the scan tool to the computer, and clear any codes that you have, then go ahead for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.